Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing a deep wheels clean of my BMW. My wheels are absolutely disgustingly dirty. We're doing a nice thorough detail of them both. Does that sound something like you'd be interested in watching? And make sure you stay tuned to this video. So as I said then, we're going to be detailing my wheels. I've got a couple of different products that I'm going to use, but the main one is going to be this. I'm going to be testing this product. It's a brand new product that Car Care have recently released, and it's something that I've never used before. So I'm going to be testing this, their new iron fallout remover Aurora. But for now, we'll cue to some cinematics of how disgustingly dirty these wheels are, and next time you join me, I'll have all four wheels lined up behind. So, I don't know how well you can see it, but I've got the car in the air and I've got all four wheels off. So the outer two wheels, they are the front wheels, they are far the worst, and the centre two wheels are the rear wheels. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the front wheels to one side and we're going to work on the rear two wheels first. These are nowhere near as bad as the front two, but they are very bad to say the least. So that is our next protocol. So front wheels to one side, concentrating on the back ones first. First thing we want to do is going to give them a nice thorough rinse. Once we've done that, we'll look to apply the Aurora. So then for the average viewers, some of you may know that I have used Car Care's Raining Iron Fallout before, because I've got a little bit left. This is their purple one. But this is Car Care's brand new Aurora. I think it's been out a couple of months to be fair, but it is fairly new. So what are the differences between the two then? Well, on the bottle for the Raging Iron Fallout it says this is an advanced fallout remover formula that will remove iron contaminants from your paintwork and wheel surfaces. This one, however, the Aurora, the new one, as you can see, it's clear in the bottle. This states Aurora is a revolutionary fallout remover, not only focused on removing iron but other harsh metals also. Just like an ordinary fallout remover, Aurora will turn purple upon contact with iron contaminants, but additional to this, Aurora will turn green whilst reacting with other heavy metal contaminants such as lead. Aurora is safe to use on paintwork and glass as well as wheels, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be using it on the wheels. Now I am going to be doing a future video where we decontaminate the paintwork of the car, and this will feature in that, but for now we're just going to be using it to get my wheels looking tip top. So let's get it applied. right, okay then. So the back wheels are done. They were actually that bad. As you can see behind me, I've now got the front wheels. These are terrible. These are absolutely disgustingly covered in brake dust and road grime. So putting Aurora to the test now. We're going to be starting, we'll start with this wheel and then we'll move on to this one. We'll do the fronts and then we'll turn them both around and we'll do both the backs. Okay, so we'll do one wheel at a time. It's thoroughly apply this. I'm going to really test this product now because I've not even give these wheels the rinse off to give it a fighting chance. So it's been on the wheel now approximately a couple of minutes, but all this area, I don't know how well the camera's picking up, you can see this purple on the front, and just behind the wheel in the barrel where my finger is, it's all green, and it does it all the way around. Really is working hard, this product, and we really are putting it to the test. So this is the same wheel, we're just doing the barrel. So then, EZ Car Care's Aurora. My thoughts. I'm going to go out there and a women say this. This is the best iron fallout remover I've ever used, hands down. This is an absolutely fantastic product. The wheels are clean, the plan is to get them back on the car, but the rest of the car looks very sad now that these wheels look so good. So we'll get the wheels on the car, we'll get the car back on the ground, we'll reposition it, we're going to give it a nice wash, which I'll show you some time lapses of and go through the process that I'm doing to get this paintwork clean. We'll get some nice cinematics of the wheels and the car looking in good shape. So let's get these wheels back on the car. it's time to get the car looking spick and span. Now my last video was washing the car, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. We're going to start with a pre-wash, then a snow foam, then a contact wash, then we're going to dry the car off. I'm not going to be polishing the car today, one because I haven't got time, and two because I'm planning on doing a full decontamination and paintwork correction type video in the near future. So for now we're just going to be doing a nice clean of the car and get it looking a little bit better because it's very sad. So what you've seen so far then was EZ Car Care's citrus pre-wash and duty details Arctic snow foam. That's what we've been cracking on with. We're just going to let this sit and dwell, let it pull some dirt off. While that's happening, I'm going to use some auto finesse leather and get myself a bucket. So I hope you enjoyed that montage of getting the car clean. So we're done. So I'm not going to polish the car today. That's going to be in a future video, polishing and waxing and protecting the paintwork. Overall thoughts on this then? Probably the best iron fallout remover I've ever used. Hands down. If you've enjoyed this video then, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you comment down below and recommend any other detailing products that you want me to try out and review for this channel. Thanks very much for watching guys, I'll see you on the next one.